Hello, Caroline here. Welcome to Tuesday Tip. And we're still on the subject of not bringing home excess baggage from holiday. So last week we talked about taking the measurements just as you weigh your bag. Make sure that the bag can fit in the overhead or whatever. So this week we're going to talk about my favourite subject. And you know what my favourite subject is? Ooh, drinking water. So what I did when I went to Dubai, I went with my friend Sheila, and every time we sat down for a meal, so that was breakfast, lunch, dinner, we asked the waiter to bring over one of these. And we'd make sure that we drank it before we left the table. This is 2 litres. So we had a litre each. That was 3 litres that we drank before we even started. That didn't include the water we had in between that time. And that's a good place to come from. And if you're not used to drinking so much water, just make sure you're adding an extra 1 or 2 that you would have had. So I know like a lot of the breakfast places, they give you those tiny little cups for your orange juice or your water. And so if you're actually going to make sure that you had enough water, you'd be back and forward, which might not be a bad thing because you'd get your steps in. It's one way. But just really be conscious. And if you're not going for a few weeks, then start upping your water intake. I suggest definitely to have your first drink in the morning should be a glass of water, because it just gives you, it lets you come from a place of energy. So that's my video today. My tip is every meal, one of these between you and your friend or whoever you're holidaying with, and drink water throughout the day. I'll see you at the next Tuesday Tip. Thanks for joining me. See you at the next video. You're all fabulous.